Hello everyone. It's a Tuesday. I had airport standby yesterday, and only because I know you guys won't make fun of me to my face because I might never see you. I got the time wrong again, but at least I went the other way. Got there too early. I swear he said 17:30, but he said 19:30. So anyway, this whole central time thing is starting to bug the heck out of me. But anyway, so I'm on reserve. I got airport standby yesterday. Nothing happened. I got home probably right about midnight, right before midnight. I got done at 10:30, so I got home right about midnight. It took me 1 hour and 4 minutes to drive home. Fastest time ever, I think. And wasn't even really speeding either. I wanted to share a couple things with you before I head out. I have what they call a turn today. It's not really a turn. It's actually 3 legs, and it's going to take all day. So in my mind, a turn is like you go there and back and you're done. This is not a turn. This is taking all day. I'm debating on if I should just take my backpack, but I have one more day of reserve, so I could get extended, and so then that would be pretty lame if I didn't have anything except for my backpack, because I don't really put anything like crucial in my backpack. That's just like my extra stuff. Anyway, so I want to show you guys a couple of things. One, I actually have created a few shirts, and I think I posted one that I bought because I bought the same thing for all my kids for Christmas. But I created this other shirt, and I don't even remember why I thought it was so funny, but I bought one. It's a tank top, and it's a tiger with a crown, and it says "Easy Tiger." I don't know why I think it's so funny. I'm easily amused, y'all. So I'm going to put a link in the description of this video if you guys want to go check out the other stuff. Some of it's like travel related, and some of it's just silly, like Easy Tiger. I don't know. I thought it was cute. Look, he's got a little crown on. Anywho, and then I also ordered these earrings. I happened upon this Instagram of a girl who makes earrings out of like polymer clay, and it's always so fascinating for me to watch people do stuff like that because it's so meticulous and tiny. I would not have the attention span or patience to do anything that meticulous and tiny, but I ordered some earrings from her. Her thing is called, I'm not sponsored or anything, I just wanted to show you guys because it's so cute. It's how she's sent it. It's called Happy and Handmade. Hannah Made. Her name's Hannah. Happy and Hannah Made. And then it's all packaged all cute like this. And there's a card saying thank you with has a little scratcher on it with a discount for if I want to order again. And then there's a little strawberry candy in there. And then these are the earrings. Aren't those cute? And those are handmade out of polymer clay. They're black like roses. And I'm not a big earring like changer person. Like I don't change my earrings. I keep the same earrings on like for months, years on end. Because I just don't like to think about it. But I can't wait to wear them. I might wear them today to work. Anyway, so I gotta get ready. I'm gonna go do a quick bike ride. I have about half an hour before I need to take a shower. So I'm gonna go do a quick bike ride, get a little exercise in, and then head to the airport. I check in at 1:25. I have the time right today. I promise. I know I do. And then I don't get back till like midnight tonight. So, but I'm good for one more day. So that's why it's like, should I take my stuff? Because they could extend me, or should I just believe that this is gonna be it? How brave am I? All right, I will check in a little bit. Hey guys, I can't believe I forgot to update. Ooh, so I finished leg 1. We have 3 legs today. We're going, we went LA to San Antonio. I'm in San Antonio right now, and I'm going to Denver, and then back to LA, and then home. And hopefully they don't call me tomorrow, because I don't want to drive back to the airport 3 days in a row. But I can't believe I forgot to mention this. So yesterday, and if you have not been paying attention, A federal judge in Florida said no go on the mask mandates anymore. So some people are just going for it, no mask. Me, not so much. I'm still wearing mine, which is fine. A lot of people are actually still wearing them, which I think is great. I think that I'm happy that people don't have to, because then I don't have to tell them they have to. I would prefer that they just do it happily on their own, but they won't. So anyway, that's what we're doing right now. Chilling. Got about 2 minutes till we board, and leg 2. And we'll see what happens tomorrow. Hope you guys are good. It's raining here. Can you see? Raining. Rain, rain, rain. Hey everyone. It is day 3 of my reserve. And no call yet. I have been available for contact for a little over an hour, and there's 2 of us on the 1-day bucket, and I'm on the bottom, so or I'm second. And so there's nothing in open time, so I think I might be able to stay home today, hopefully. I haven't showered or anything, so I'm kind of like pressing my luck. But right now, this is what I'm doing. No, I don't like to turn that way because this light behind me is bad. But right now, this is what I am doing. I am addressing, what are these called? Announcements to my oldest child's college graduation. Look how cute he is. So anyway, we're heading to Washington for that this weekend, so I'm very excited. And that's what I'm doing, just hanging out. I'm gonna do some cleaning up around the house, hopefully get some stuff done today, and not drive to LAX. So we shall see. And that might be the extent of this video. Super exciting. But I'm glad. Yesterday went fairly smooth. I got home at 1:15, and crashed. No traffic. And yeah, it was, I went to San Antonio, I went to Denver, and then LA, and everything went very smoothly. Half the people were wearing masks and half weren't, and everyone seemed very chill, and it was nice that, you know, some people still were, and they felt comfortable with that. And because I was still wearing mine, and one of the other crew members was still wearing hers. So I just think that it'll be interesting to see. Hopefully people don't start getting sick again. But anyway, remains to be seen. And that's all I have to say about that. So anyway, I'm gonna go work on this, and I will check back in and see if I get called. Hey guys, so I didn't get called yesterday. Yay for me. I got to stay home and have dinner with the hubs, and I went and had just an hour hangout with a friend, and then we watched Survivor. I think we've talked about this before. Does anybody still watch Survivor? The last 2 seasons have been interesting because they're shorter than they ever have been, so it's been a little bit weird, but we still love it. And yeah, then I got a good night's sleep, and we're going to be packing today. I'm going to get my nails done and my hair done, and yeah, go enjoy the weekend celebrating my kiddo. So I'm going to wrap up this vlog right here. It's going to be a short one. Thanks for watching, you guys. If you enjoyed this content, please give a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, I would love for you to I don't know why I can't say that word. Subscribe. And oh, I forgot to tell you, I got a P.O. box. Someone asked if they could send me something, so I have a P.O. box, and I'm going to put the address in the description for this video. So if you ever want to send me something like a card or whatever, like, I mean, I'm not asking for you to send me things, but if you should so choose a postcard if you go somewhere cool, that would be fun. So anyway, that's it. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.